Good Monday morning. It is April 8th, 2024, the big eclipse day for us. We'll talk about that forecast plus some wet weather ahead for the next couple of days with heavy rainfall expected across the natural state. First things first, what's it look like out there now? Well, you know what? Let's just go to the satellite, right? 'Cause that's what everybody's looking for today is that cloud cover. This is a look at the clouds. The high clouds are moving in. You can see them across portions of Texas, background Dallas, moving from the southwest to the northeast. These high clouds will fill in across much of Arkansas. So it will not be a cloud free day for us. We'll have the clouds that are out there. Thankfully, though, with high clouds, you can still see quite a bit in the way of the eclipse later on today. The low cloud cover that's moving in over Texas, though, is probably going to obscure a lot of it. So clouds are in the forecast for today. Let's see if we can pull up here. I'll show you what it looks like as far as the eclipse goes. The cloud percentage here is going to be highest across southern Arkansas, northeast Texas, Louisiana. And then as we get into central Arkansas, I think that better viewing is right in there around Little Rock up towards Jonesboro, north central Arkansas. Notice in northwest Arkansas, we are looking at some low cloud cover. That's due to the front that's going to be pressing in from the northwest. Matter of fact, you may have seen it just a second ago out there around Kansas City, around Wichita in that area. That's the weak front that's moving in. So that will lead to just a little bit of an increase in the cloud cover in northeast Oklahoma as well as Benton County this afternoon. You'll still be able to see some of it, but the cloud cover will be out there. No optimum viewing conditions today in Arkansas because of those high clouds. And the traffic afterwards is supposed to be pretty bad too. Have you heard about this? RDOT putting out this map saying expecting significant delays on I-40 and I-49. This is likely going to occur in the hours after the eclipse later on today. So heading into 3, 4, 5 o'clock today, expect some big slowdowns that are going to be out there. It's nice out there now, though, as we look out live out towards Uptown Rogers from Walton. You can see some traffic. It's normal traffic, though, for a Monday morning. Temperatures are starting off pretty cool. They're going to warm up, though, later on today. Right now, our temperatures are around 46 degrees in Rogers, close to about 40 in Fayetteville, and looks like right around 47 in Bentonville. Nice, cool morning out there. No freezing temperatures or anything like that. Not really looking at a whole lot in the way of any big systems that are moving in during the day. It's mostly during the overnight hours when we start to get into some trouble. So let's look into that, right? So this is a look at the surface charts for today. And first thing I'm going to show you, you can see that front that's moving through Kansas. That's what's causing that increase in cloud cover across northwest Arkansas. And then you have that stalled front that's just to the south. Let me back up a minute. This is this morning at about 7 o'clock. So you have the stalled front. This is why Texas, Louisiana, and southern Arkansas are going to be cloudy. This little guy up here in northeast Oklahoma is why we'll have that little edge of clouds poking into Benton and Washington County later on today. By day's end, the front starts to press in, the low jogs up, and I'm telling you, we're going to get a lot of rain out of this stuff, guys. The heaviest rain will be in central and south Arkansas. We may be picking up close to 2 or 3 inches of rain. This is Tuesday. This is Wednesday. This is Thursday. So we have Tuesday, Wednesday, and even part of Thursday morning that are going to be pretty soggy out there with the potential of picking up quite a bit in the way of rainfall. So how does this play out hour by hour? Let's see if I can get this pulled up for you. There we go. This is a look at the data heading into the day today. So this is around eclipse time, and you can see no rain's expected locally, but during the late evening hours, going through about 8 o'clock tonight, we start seeing some showers in central and south Arkansas. That stuff starts creeping north by about 1 in the morning. You can see scattered showers making its way up to I-40. Some of those storms will be severe, not necessarily locally here, but more so farther on down towards the south. And then overnight hours into Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock, tomorrow morning's drive to work is going to be super sloppy out there with widespread rainfall. Several rounds of rain move through Tuesday, and then Tuesday night, you can see a little bit of a lull for us. That's Tuesday evening at 7, and then more rain starts to develop and push in from the southwest heading into Wednesday. So it's going to be a very active weather pattern for us with several opportunities to pick up some showers and perhaps even some thunderstorms here and there. The severe weather threat may ramp up for us, not so much so for today, but Tuesday and Wednesday we'll have to watch it just a little bit closer. Now, severe weather-wise, just to check in on that, the severe risk today, by the way, it's not for our area as much as it is for southeast Oklahoma, southwest Arkansas, and even a little bit of a higher risk that's out there in Texas as well. So there you have it for the eclipse. High-level clouds today. You'll probably be able to see it through the cloud cover. The low clouds stay in south Arkansas as well as northeast Texas. And after this, we won't be talking about the eclipse, I guess, for another couple decades. But in the meantime, heavy rain is expected this week. Have the umbrella ready. You won't need it today. You will need it on Tuesday and Wednesday. Hope you have a terrific work week.